Living in Celebration, Florida, offers a unique blend of charm, comfort, and community. But alongside the sunshine and warm breezes comes the reality of Florida's storm-prone climate. From hurricane-force winds to flying debris and heavy rain, your home faces risks that standard windows simply can't withstand. That's why more homeowners in Celebration are turning to impact-resistant windows, a smart investment in safety, security, and peace of mind. Protection during Florida's storm season. One of the biggest reasons Celebration residents invest in impact-resistant windows is protection against hurricanes and severe weather. Wind resistance. These windows are engineered to withstand high wind speeds, far beyond what traditional windows can handle. Debris defense. Laminated glass prevents shattering even if struck by flying objects, keeping your home's interior safe. Water intrusion prevention. Strong seals reduce the risk of leaks, minimizing water damage during storms. With impact-resistant windows, your home is better prepared to weather Florida's unpredictable storm season. Enhanced home security. Impact-resistant windows don't just protect against storms, they also deter intruders. Harder to break. The laminated glass and reinforced frames make it extremely difficult for burglars to gain entry. Added peace of mind. Whether you're at home or away, you'll feel safer knowing your windows provide a strong line of defense. Continuous protection. Unlike temporary storm shutters, impact-resistant windows work year-round without additional effort. This dual function, storm safety and home security, makes them one of the most valuable upgrades you can make. Energy efficiency benefits. Celebration's hot and humid climate means cooling costs can be a challenge. Fortunately, impact-resistant windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Insulated glass. Double or triple pane designs reduce heat transfer. Low E coatings. Reflect sunlight while allowing natural light in, helping your home stay cooler. Reduced energy bills. With less strain on your air conditioning system, you'll notice monthly savings. Over time, the energy savings help offset the upfront cost of installation. Noise reduction. For a quieter home, impact-resistant windows also improve your indoor environment by blocking outside noise. Peace and quiet. The multi-layer glass reduces traffic sounds, construction noise, and neighborhood activity. Better sleep. Bedrooms become more restful, especially for families near busy roads. More enjoyable living spaces. Whether working from home or relaxing, the quieter atmosphere adds to your comfort. This is an often overlooked benefit that Celebration homeowners truly appreciate. Added value and curb appeal. Investing in impact-resistant windows enhances not only your safety but also your home's value. Increased resale appeal. Buyers in Florida look for homes with storm-ready features, making your property more attractive on the market. Insurance savings. Many insurers offer discounts for homes with impact-resistant windows, reducing long-term costs. Modern style options. From casement to double-hung to picture windows, today's impact-resistant designs combine safety with beauty. This investment pays dividends both now and in the future. Professional installation matters. For your windows to deliver maximum benefits, professional installation is key. Tight seals. Proper installation prevents leaks and ensures energy efficiency. Code compliance. Professionals ensure your windows meet Florida's building standards. Long-term durability. Correct installation maximizes performance and lifespan. Working with experienced installers in Celebration guarantees your investment is protected. Final thoughts for Celebration homeowners. Impact-resistant windows are not just a luxury, they're a necessity. From storm protection and improved security to energy efficiency and noise reduction, these windows offer year-round benefits that standard models simply can't match. By choosing high-quality impact-resistant windows and pairing them with professional installation, you'll protect your home, improve your comfort, and add lasting value. In a community as special as Celebration, investing in the right windows ensures your home remains safe, secure, and beautiful for years to come.